The main fix is to wait for the merchant to finalize the transaction. Most pending transactions on Chime clear within 1 to 3 business days. But here are the steps that you can take if a payment remains pending longer than expected or if you need to resolve an issue. Let's first identify the reason for the delay. First is normal processing time. A recommended fix here is just to wait it out. The transaction will update automatically. If you have encountered merchant holds, contact the merchant or business directly to ask when they will finalize the transaction or release the hold. They are the only ones who can modify the pending charge. And if you have insufficient funds, ensure that your Chime account has sufficient funds to cover the charge once it is finalized. Also double check that your bank details provided to the payer or employer are correct. And also, with your Chime account issues, check for notifications in the Chime app and ensure that you are using the latest app version. And that's our fix. If your payment is still pending on Chime, and thank you for listening.